Next, we're going to move on to transitions. And transitions are the effects, what happens between slides. And it's basically when you put a transition on a slide, it's what happens when you come into that slide, when you enter that slide. So we're going to pick the first slide here, go to transitions, and you can see what's affected here, or what you can actually use as a transition effect. And you can see there's a number of different transition effects that you can use. And we'll take a look at them first. Let's just take a look at blinds. Okay, so if I play this, you'll see how it's the blinds. It doesn't just pop into the PowerPoint. Okay, along with the transition effects up here, you can have effect options. So you can have vertical or horizontal. So if I change it to horizontal and I go, you can see how the blinds are horizontal. Another option that you have is you could have this same transition applied to every slide, or you can go put your own in there. The biggest things with transitions is you do not want the transition to take away from your PowerPoint. For example, if I use a different transition on every slide, people in your audience are going to go, I wonder which transition she's going to use next, or wow, that transition was really cool, and they're not even listening to your PowerPoint. So again, you got to be really careful when you use a lot of transitions. And so again, you can just click on them and you can add them. So we'll try this one. We'll do a transition effect, the curtains. You can see that there's no other effects that go along with your curtains. Okay, so let's go back into the PowerPoint. You'll notice that you have transitions here because there's little stars by them. And you can see that right there. Where these down here don't have them, you'll see the stars are identified there. So I'm going to push play. There's my transition that I have for that one. Okay. And then here's the second one. There's my curtain. And again, this transition would be kind of irritating to me because I don't like to wait that long when I'm opening up a slide. So that's basically your transitions. What happens when you enter your slide?